Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to make the best barbacoa in the crock pot. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I like to start by making my adobo sauce. Add some garlic into a blender. Add your chipotle peppers. Lime juice, apple cider vinegar, some cumin, 2 cloves, some oregano, and some chicken bouillon. Add some chicken broth, add your lid. Blend until completely smooth. Go ahead and drizzle some oil all over your chuck roast and make sure that you rub it all over. Next, season with some seasoned salt. Season with some garlic powder. And some black pepper. This is how my meat is looking after seasoning it. So now, over medium-high heat in a large skillet, go ahead and add your oil. Now that our skillet is nice and hot, go ahead and place your meat. And we're going to sear them for about 4 minutes. After 2 minutes, go ahead and flip them and sear for another 2 minutes. We're done searing at this point. Do not skip this process. This will bring a lot of flavors to our dish. Now we're going to add them to our crock pot. After adding in your meat in the crock pot, add your adobo sauce on top. To rinse out the blender, add your chicken broth to it. And I just like to shake it up a little and pour it in. Add your large onion and your bay leaves. Place your lid. Turn on the crock pot. Set it for 5 hours on high. This is how my meat is looking after 5 hours. They are nice and tender. Now what I'm going to do is just remove them and place them onto a platter to shred the meat. This is how it's looking after shredding my meat. Hello guys, so my barbacoa is ready. It is such a delicious recipe, super easy to make in the crock pot. I love to serve this as tacos or burritos. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.